Latin Dishes presents how to make white rice. You will need 4 cups of rice, half a cup of onions, and 1/3 of oil. You will also need a large pot. You'll also need another pot to boil water in. Take 1/3 cup of oil and pour it into the pot and get ready for the next step. Now get ready to take the half a cup of onions and pour it into the pot. Now you're going to get ready to stir the onions and the oil, stir it in the pot, mix it up, and let it cook a little. Next step is to take the pot of hot boiling water and pour it into the oil and onion that was being stirred and just let it there cooking for a while. Keep your stove setting at number 8 until the water, onion, oil starts to boil. Now that everything started boiling in the pot, you will get ready to pour the rice into the pot. Pour the rice into the hot pot and be careful that you don't get splashed with hot water. Get ready to stir everything together. Mix it up really good. Now you want to remove any excess water that's in the pot so the rice can cook really well. Try to measure the water level by it being half of the spoon. If not, continue to remove a little bit extra water. Now that you measure the water to half of the spoon level, you're ready to leave the rice cook for a while. Now that the water has dried up and the rice is ready to stir, stir it from under to the top. From bottom to top. Let the rice cook for a little while longer and lower your settings to number 4. Now that your rice has cooked fully, just stir it again from the bottom to the top and your rice is done. Thank you for watching. Click the like button and subscribe.